What is up everyone, welcome to another video. I'm actually driving down to Brighton today because I need to go buy a new mobile phone. And I'm not going to name names, I'm not going to blame anyone in particular, but there may be an individual in my life by the name of Gabriella who, put it this way, gets a little bit overexcited at times. And she actually pretty much destroyed my current handheld device, which was a Huawei P9, P9 Lite, which is an awesome phone. Pro tip, by the way, is after it's been raining and you're going round a roundabout, you'll be really careful not to lean the bike over too far or give it too much jerkiness on the throttle, because lo and behold, there's probably a lot of oil that's come off whatever car or diesel or something that's then spread out because of the thin layer of water across the roundabout. So fuck me, I didn't even see that guy at all. Oh my god, I thought I was getting pulled over there. My arse cheeks clenched up there quite substantially. Oh, this is probably the reason why. It's quite cool actually seeing the police car like bucking it through. See if we can follow him. Oh damn, there he goes. Oh shit, it's like just for me. Damn dude, I really thought he was coming after me. I didn't hear him because like I have my headphones in at the moment. Then the car that was speeding in front of me was just like, yeah, pulled over. It was like, what up? They pulled over. I was like, they're acting really weird. And then I just like see the reflection of a blue thing in my mirror. I guess it shows that I shouldn't be riding with my headphones in with my Metallica playing ridiculously loudly. Miss Gildy, I mean, if I had more bollocks, I would kind of YOLO it a bit more, but then you don't know when all these cars are going to be pulling back into the middle of the road after moving away from the cop. I wonder what's happened, man. I reckon it's going to be an accident of some description. And there was an old woman that actually got hit in my local co-op car park the other day. She got run over by her husband, actually. Poor old lady. So the husband basically hit another car, and then, as far as I'm aware, hit another car and then ran over her. Not very nice. Whoa, you can move a bit over, mate. Oh, the policeman's just down there. He's not too far ahead of me. This white man's not going to move, calling it right in the fuck now. He's on his phone. It's something quite, like, satisfying about filtering. You could move over, you fuckboy. Oh fuck, the rain's caught up with me. So I nicked something out of the back of his van. Damn dude, this is some seriously messed up traffic right now. Miss Guzzy. So the phone I'm getting today is called the Razr phone, and I think it looks really cool. I've heard some good reviews about it, and some bad ones as well. Anything will do better than my current phone, which I didn't explain what happened to it. So Gabriella got overexcited. She was jumping on the bed, and her knee basically hit the top part of my phone and then bent it, so like the phone has actually got like a weird L shape at the moment. It still works, it's crazy, that thing still works really well, but it's time for an upgrade anyway. I think we are coming to the front line of the accident. A police bike on the back of a trailer and he broke down. Lol. I guess it must have happened very recently because they're not letting anyone drive forwards at all. I feel like right now I'm the scene from Bruce Almighty.
Oh darn. All this horsepower and no room to gallop. Hey, Hosea! Away!
Alright, let's just go chill over here.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Look at these two white van men trying to sneak past. I might just shoot up past one of the policemen. Like, sorry, I'm very late for something. We'll turn off the bike. That's actually a really nice grey unmarked police car. Okay, everything's done. I think we're ready to go. So you can see there's like a white truck, a white sort of minivan on the back of that lorry over there that I think might even fallen off. This bloody thing here bloody fell off the back of that truck. That's what caused all the problems. Where are the fucking speed cameras? I don't know if in Brighton you can actually ride in the bus lane as a motorcyclist. I know you can in some parts of London. I remember there was a friend of mine who got caught actually, not got caught, but he got sent a fine because he was riding in the bus lane. Alright, calm the fuck down, dude. Whoa, fuck me. Oh, wow, look at all the birds. Fucking hell, that's cool. Even though they're pigeons, it's a bit of a letdown. If they were doves or something, it'd be a bit cooler, wouldn't it? But fucking pigeons. Wow, look at all the oil down that side of the road. Fucking hell. It's all the way down there. Someone's been dribbling. See, that's what I mean about like riding in the rain and stuff. How dangerous it can be. Because like someone's just got a leaky truck or car or something that's like pooed all the way down the street. And what that means is, look, like that. If I go over that, that's pretty much certain death for me. You feel that fucking blue shit. Oh, look at all the rain that is about to come in and fuck it down with rain. It really is. You can see it. Oh god. Excuse me, it's not time to go. Absolutely zero fucks given. Smells like piss, but that's fine. Back of the bike now. Managed to get my new Razr phone, which is really cool because apparently for the contract that I'm on, which is pretty cheap, I mean £35 a month, unlimited everything, unlimited data, unlimited text, unlimited whatever. I also get Netflix for life, which is great because I don't have Netflix at the moment, so now I've got Nutflux, as they say. Nutflux. Now I need to solve two problems. I'm very hungry and I also need to have a wee-wee. No car alarms today, unfortunately. Fucking hell, mate. Can I fit? That is the $1,000,000 question, and I would beg to differ. I would probably say no. Don't touch the Bentley, don't touch the Bentley, don't touch the Bentley, don't touch the Bentley, don't touch the Bentley. Cute. Hey Scooter bro, caught you up son. What? That guy had the reaction timings of a god. That guy just opened his car door like right next to him and the guy went, wow, wow. Oh, that was insane, dude. Respect. You got like Spider-Man sensors or something. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Please remove the helmet or lift visor. Oh yeah. I don't really think I can get on. Yeah, I just better not touch my fucking bike. I'll be livid. Livid, I tell you. Let's get her number plate just in case and review the footage later. GX65 BBJ. I don't think he paid for any fuel. He didn't pay for any petrol. He did not go inside. Dude.